Always.
Always, right? Okay lah, I think we're good. Okay? Okay?
With
the Chinese characters as well?
Yeah. With the old blocks.
Okay. Can't wait to see it. Okay, I think we are good.
We started with researching and then to learn the fundamentals of letterpress, and then we discussed about the common goal we want to achieve, and then with that goal in mind, we throw out any creative thoughts of ideas we have.
We realized that it's not just the beauty of the craft or the outcome that makes letterpress printing so interesting, but it's the old block, it's the old technique, it's the process that make it so precious.
We tend to go to the product first, then only comes the content, but afterwards then we slightly pull back and more focus on the content, then try to link it back to the product. So the product is all made to tell a story. We try to break through the boundary that letterpress printing can only apply and produce paper product and stationery. We want to make more functional products instead.
Yeah, so we try out different materials like canvas, tarpaulin, PVC, leather and all. But eventually we still think letterpress printing looks best on paper. That's why we narrow down and go back to paper-like but yet durable materials. And that's how we come across with Tyvek and non-woven. In terms of content, we have two focus. One part is the artifact, which is what the old blocks and the stories that TRP have. Then another one is looking at letterpress printing as typography fundamental to educate people about like what we learn nowadays. Like for example, we learn about leading, which is the distance between lines of type. And why is it called leading? Because back in old days, they used a piece of lead to separate the lines of type. That's why it's called leading.
I think there's something special about dealing with letters physically. It's a more tactile experience, and it's not as easy as copy-paste and then press print. So you learn to be more mindful while designing it.
The slow process, I think people nowadays like go too fast and we don't feel it. We don't feel through the process. We just do and judge based on what is seen, what appear like very surface kind of impression.